Well, I'm Jagender Rana. So, topic of the day is surety bonds for India's infrastructure development. Surety bond for India's infrastructure development. Hey, surety bond plays a crucial role in supporting India's infrastructure development. Because insurance surety bonds are financial instruments where insurers act as surety and provide the financial guarantee that the contractor will fulfill its obligations as per the agreed term. So the surety bond issued by a general insurance company is a three-party contract by which one party, that is the surety, guarantees the performance or obligations of a second party, that is the principal, to a third party, that is the obligee. So the surety is a company that provides the financial guarantee to the obligee, usually a government entity, that the principal, that is the business owner, will fulfill their obligations. So while there is a significant potential of surety bonds to contribute to India's infrastructure development, and some of the impediments are there in the way of surety bonds. That includes lack of equal legal resources for insurers under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code as enjoyed by the banks, and weak enforceability of agreements between insurers and bond beneficiaries. So to address these challenges and drive the growth of the surety bond market, a task force has been formed comprising representatives from insurers, banks and reinsurers. The task force will focus on developing strategies for risk sharing, enhancing collaboration between banks and insurers, and fostering a conducive environment for the growth of surety bond insurance. The collaboration between bankers and insurers, coupled with the seamless data sharing, will be key to taking surety bonds to the next level. So the formation of a task force is a critical step forward in ensuring that surety bond becomes a cornerstone of India's infrastructure growth story. Globally, surety bonds have been instrumental in driving infrastructure development. In the United States, they are widely based on construction projects, enabling contractors to bid on high-value projects confidently. The US surety bond market, estimated to exceed $400 billion, plays a vital role in supporting the country's infrastructure growth. So, as India accelerates its infrastructure development, it is crucial to explore the potential of surety bonds in facilitating this growth. So unlike traditional bank guarantee, surety bond provides a more comprehensive and efficient solution for construction companies building on projects. Offered by insurance companies rather than banks, these bonds spread risk and release capital from the banking system, presenting a compelling case for their adoption. So globally, surety bonds have been instrumental in driving infrastructure development. So in India, the reliance on bank guarantee poses significant challenges, especially in MSMEs. Bank often require 100% margins, hindering these enterprises' growth. Conversely, surety bonds can be obtained at a premium, enabling smaller companies to access projects and expand their capabilities. So, recognizing this, the Indian government has introduced policy changes starting with the National Highway Authority. However, a concerted effort is necessary to promote surety bonds across all government authorities, both central and state. The insurance companies must be encouraged to provide these bonds to medium and smaller companies, not just top tier firms. Government insurance companies like GIC can offer support by way of insurance to help MSMEs grow and contribute to infrastructure development. So, despite the potential, the current insurance landscape poses challenges. Underwriters find surety bonds challenging due to inadequate reinsurance support, limiting their capacity to issue these bonds, especially those of small monetary values. Reinsurers crucial in designing and backing surety bonds in India expressed concern about buyers' reluctance to pay adequate premium and provide sufficient collateral. So these factors pose significant hurdles to the growth and stability of India's surety bond market. For the market to thrive, stakeholders including insurers, reinsurers, and buyers must collaborate to meet necessary financial and collateral requirements, ensuring the sustainable growth and effectiveness of surety bonds. So, the union ministers of road transport have made efforts, have catalyzed progress, although the market has yet to fully take off. So, leading insurers like New India Assurance, ICICI Lombard General Insurance, SBI General Insurance, and Bajaj Allianz General Insurance have announced intentions to issue surety bond, but have been hindered by a lack of supporting elements. The process of obtaining IRDAI approvals for surety bonds products has taken nearly a decade. So while difficulties have been addressed to make road projects less likely and ensure surety bonds become a safe and profitable business for insurers, the absence of supporting elements remains a challenge. So Union Road Transport Minister's commitment to developing the surety bond market is an alternative to bank guarantee for executing large projects is unwavering. He persistently pursued the matter with the Ministry of Finance, urging IRDAI to encourage the insurance industry to launch surety bond products. Recently, a meeting with the key stakeholders discussed developing a surety bond market in the country. Our leading foreign reinsurance branches involved in designing surety bond products for the Indian market have stated that buyers are unwilling to pay adequate premiums and provide necessary collateral. So this stalled market requires extensive reinsurance support, and no primary insurer can issue any policy without proper reinsurance backup. So the expectations that surety bonds should be cheaper than bank guarantees is unsustainable for insurers. Issues related to pricing, reinsurance options, and lack of clarity on indemnity documents further hinder progress. The Indian General Contract Act and Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code do not recognize the rights of insurers at par with financial creditors. India can significantly benefit from adopting surety bonds by acknowledging their potential and providing necessary support. So by addressing the premiums and collateral requirements and fostering collaborations among stakeholders, we can unlock economic development and infrastructure expansions, driving the nation toward a prosperous future. So, with leaders like road and transport ministers at the helm, there is renewed hope for India's infrastructure revitalization. And the successful integration of surety bonds into the financial landscape. It will be important for the government to provide the initial support to the insurance company with certain guarantee and losses to provide the surety bonds culture, especially if such bonds are issued to MSME sector. This will boost the MSME sector considerably. So surety bonds are essential for India's infrastructure growth. Now, because insurance surety bonds act as financial guarantees, ensuring contractors meet their obligations, these bonds involve three parties: the surety, that is insurer, the principal, that is contractor, and the obligee of any government entity. So the surety provides a financial guarantee to the obligee that principals will fulfill their contractual duties. Now both the potential and challenges of surety bonds in enhancing India's infrastructure are important. Because the General Insurance Council noted several obstacles, including unequal legal recourses for insurers under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code compared to the banks, and weak enforceability of agreement between insurers and bonds beneficiaries. So to tackle these issues, a task force has been established. The group includes representatives from insurers, banks, and reinsurers. The goal is to develop strategies for risk sharing, improve collaboration between banks and insurers, and create a supportive environment for the growth of surety bond insurance. The importance of cooperation between banks and insurers is most important, because the collaboration between bankers and insurers coupled with seamless data sharing will be key to taking surety bonds to the next level. So forming a task force is crucial for making surety bonds a fundamental part of India's infrastructure development. The initiative aims to ensure that these bonds become integral to the country's growth story. Addressing challenges and fostering collaboration are vital steps towards unlocking the full potential of surety bonds in India. So the formation of a dedicated task force makes significant progress in this direction. Thank you very much.